So how you can do it, what is the Vata balancing food and what is the Vata balancing lifestyle? Vata balancing food is very simple, like you try to involve more and more sweet fruits in your diet, you try to involve more and more sweet, salty and little bit of sour things in your diet. And if you have diabetes, then please don't take the juicy sweet fruits, because as you know, in diabetes sweet is totally prohibited. Anything that is sweet you cannot eat. So it is also valid on fruits also. You need to be very selective in choosing fruits. But if you don't have diabetes and if you want to balance your Vata dosha, you can switch on to more sweet fruits, natural fruits, and focus on seasonal sweet fruits rather than off-season sweet fruits, because off-season sweet fruits do not contain that much nutrients which a seasonal fruit will contain. So it is very important that you switch your diet to more of the sweet things, and all these vegetables which contains more of carbohydrates, or grains which contains more of carbohydrates, fats. So those grains we switch on, because that will help you to balance the Vata. At the same time, if you are eating milk products, you can also have cheese, but it should be from organic farm. You can have milk, you can have spinach. These all things are extremely Vata balancing, and it is so good to bring your Vata dosh into balance. At the same time, avoid all those things which are aggravating Vata. What are Vata aggravating things? For example, excessive coffee, it will aggravate Vata dosh, and Pitta dosh also. At the same time, if you are taking anything fried, that is also Vata elevating. And if you want to know more details, what are the foods which are Vata pacifying, means which balance Vata, there is a link below, there is a video. You can watch that video and try to see those things, all those things which will help to balance your Vata dosha. At the same time, you try to regularize your routine, which includes try to go to bed early. Don't be a night owl, like don't try to do all the mind indulging works during night, because night is for sleeping. So make sure like you go to bed on proper time. Don't keep yourself awake late at night, because that is one of the main reasons for aggravation of Vata dosha. Avoid watching very thriller dramas at the night, because that will aggravate the Rajoguna, and ultimately that is more connected with mental status. And when we see something very like these changing mood things or dramas in which there is a lot of involvement of mind, that is also excessively Vata aggravating, or especially fearful serials or horror serials. Try to watch something pleasant if you want to watch, or read some pleasant book before sleep. That will help you to bring your stress levels down, and it will also be extremely beneficial to bring the Vata dosha into balance. In addition to that, try to avoid all the things from the refrigerator. Try to cook food, freshly cooked food, and that too of organic freshly cooked food, and try to consume it within 3 hours of cooking. That would be extremely beneficial for your health. And don't avoid all these canned foods, and avoid all these cokes and very hard drinks, because they are also extremely Vata aggravating and they are not at all good for health. So try to have more and more organic drinks, try to have more and more organic fruits and vegetables from your garden or from farmers or from wherever source it is available. Try to have more and more organic diet in your food, because that would be more beneficial for your health. And it is also extremely Vata balancing. And try to have always hot meals. Cold meals aggravate Vata and hot meals balance Vata. So it is very beneficial for you if you try to have more and more hot meals whenever you are taking food.